Sibs, today is...
January 7.
We're now moving out.
Moving out?
Charot lang. Alis kami today. Ay, si Ayo lumabas. Wait lang.
And it goes a little something like...
You are summer and after.
Hi, Sibs. Good morning. It's currently 1:43 a.m. January 7. And we're going to...
Eat.
Para ka namang,
Ano?
robot. Kailangan ka pang tusok-tusukin. We're going to eat. Nasa McDo, Pamplona kami right now. Because we're gonna eat breakfast. Breakfast, dinner, whatever it is. So, yeah, see you later. One night. Hi! Sa airport na kami, Sibs. And sa airport na kami. Let me just take a picture a moment. Diba, Sibs? Ngayon ko na lang ulit naranasan yung stressful na pag-ano ng bag. Kasi domestic lang naman ako after nung Singapore. So, medyo daming ginagawa. But yeah, we're here lang. They're checking our gate. And look at me. I'm Violet. I have my Joshua Hong here. And I also have my Violet suitcase. My passport is also Violet. Yan. Kanya-kanya kaming luggage na. Because kailangan. Anyway, bye. Hi, Sibs. Nakastatwa yung parents ko. But yeah, we're already inside the plane and we're going. Good morning. Papa. We are now in Hong Kong. We are now in Hong Kong. We just landed. My brother is not in the mood. I don't know why. But yeah, let's go. We're going to immigration pa. But yeah, we'll update you later. Moment. There we are.
The hotel.
That's the Rambler Oasis Hotel. And technically, this is our first day, right? I don't know why I am whispering, but yeah, it's our first day right now. Parents are checking in. So yeah, see you later. So, we are now here sa hotel room namin ni Sai Zerine. Sila mama at papa na sa ibang room. And there's Sai. Sai.
Hi.
Is fixing or arranging his luggage. Sabi nung receptionist, we got the best view daw. And from what I see here,
There's a seaside over there.
there's like parang may ginagawang something or parang cargo to. Let me just show you.
Yeah.
Here, it's like a shipyard. Diba? Tama naman siya. Maganda yung view since may dagat. And knowing this person. Sobrang lapit pala. Anyway, yeah. Let's go na lang. We will go na sa aming isa pang
Saan ba tayo punta?
Ngongping. Yeah, we'll go there na. Yeah, I'm using my iPod to vlog kasi yung phone ko ang ginagamit pang picture. So, yeah. So, yeah, we're settled na sa hotel. Ay, saan galing yung isa? Ba't na ganun pa? So, ayan, settled na kami and we're now going down to eat. And
Go to Ngongping.
yes, we're about to go to Ngongping after. Good morning. Here's the elevator. Okay. So, here's the view from this side. Nakita nyo na kanina yung view sa end namin. So, ganito siya. It's just the buildings and merong swimming pool yung
There's a pool?
hotel. Yeah.
Yes. You want to go there?
Wala naman tayong pang swimming.
It's a $40 charge per person.
Ooh!
Na pala.
Look at me. Ang ganda ng ilaw dito. Can we just take a picture here? Now, we are at a restaurant here sa hotel. where, ganito yung ano niya sa ano, Google Translate.
滋味
Hindi ko alam kung narinig nyo, pero ayun siya.
滋味
Yun. That's how it is. Then that's the food. Yeah. We're still waiting for one dish, pero we'll take a picture in a moment. We're now riding bus 88F going to Chingy Station. My mom and dad doing silly faces at the back. But we're on the way there. It's already, what time is it? Sorry. Almost 2 p.m. And it's very cold outside. But look what, I'm just wearing shorts and a shirt. Sizerin is wearing his jogging pants and jacket. Mama is wearing her sweat shirt and Papa too. Wearing shorts. Both of them are wearing shorts. Siya lang balat na balat. Tapang at tao daw. Let's go! So, I don't know if you can hear me, pero nakasakay na kami sa Chingy Station. Ayan. Sa MTR na kami. And we're now going to Tungchong for the Ngongping 360. Very, Say. Hi! So, nakababa lang namin sa MTR dito sa Tungchong Station. And we're going to ride that signage there. The NP, oh my gosh, NP 360 or the Ngongping 360 cable car. It's a cable car and we'll show you what you can see there later. One moment.
Hello. We're entering the... Nasaan camera na ito ulit? Ito. Okay. We're entering the standard cabin for the...
Can you go in front? Kakailangan.
Okay. We're entering the standard cabin.
Yes, with a very, very long line here.
It's not clear floor. Very sad.
We did not get the crystal cabin.
But at least we get to see Buddha. Very high place.
I do have.
One by one.
Me next. Okay. Let's go.
We do have our QR codes kasi. I
Okay.
do have our QR codes. So you go there in front.
Pag balik, will that work pa rin there?
Do we need a QR code pabalik?
Yes.
Ah.
Should be a round trip. Or should there be a new one?
There's the cable cars. We will be riding those.
Tsura mo nakanganga ka dyan.
Ah, okay.
Tingnan.
Sorry.
Nakanganga siya.
We're almost there.
I think just 2 per.
What?
2 na lang sila.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo naman ako
Or like one
maulan.
more. One. I think, malapit na tayo. But yun, empty. Sayang.
Pag may susunduin.
May naiwan.
You can stop
How
it
to
now.
take? Okay, we're going na. Oh.
What do we, pouch?
Yes, we're here na inside.
Here's the cabin.
Yes.
Okay, come out of the bed.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ano yung natin?
Then, nakaupo tayo doon.
The floor is not crystal.
Show mama and papa.
Ah.
There. Then we'll show you the view later. Bye-bye!
We're here na sa cable car. Hindi nyo pa nakikita yung paligid. Kasi, meron ako ditong tagas. Kasi, It's not recording pala. Napindot ko ang aking remote. But yeah, hindi nyo lang nakikita but we'll have a montage later with it. So,
sa balita.
we're excited. We'll try to climb ba? Yeah, doon sa Buddha. Kasi ilang steps yun ba?
270 kilometers.
Ah,
Not sure.
3,257.
Wow, 0.5.
It's a platform.
5.5, but yeah, we'll try to go up there, no? Si PJ busy pa siya, so
It's so
we'll
high.
just do our transition one moment. Here at Ngongping 360! Yeah. Mama is very happy kasi nakita niya na tong Buddha ng malapit. Actually, palapit siya ng palapit kanina. But, later, mas malapit yung papakita namin sa'yo. So, yeah!
We found him. Buddha.
Tapos yung itsura niya, we found him.
Ano pang hinahanap mo?
Celebration na nangyari.
We found him. Mama pa. So, we will be trying to climb the mountain and reach Buddha.
Hindi ko alam kung ilang beses na namin sinabi yun. Na itatry namin. Pero parang hindi namin matatry, no? Not
Oh.
very sure if we can. Or if we cannot. Ganda talaga ng camera ko.
Abutin ko yun. I will reach Buddha. Kita pa.
I will reach you, sabi ni PJ.
May Lego din sila dito. Kala ko Lego din yung damit.
Ito na nga yun.
Anyways, we will
We'll take
return.
pictures na.
We will return when we climb Buddha.
So now we are going out. Ngongping 360. We just reenact some pictures from 10 years ago. Nagulat si Mama. Ayun. We just reenacted some pictures from 10 years ago. And now we're on our way out. Ngongping. Magki-cable car kami pabalik. Then we'll go to Madame Tussauds. Madame Tussauds, Madame Tausud. I actually don't know, but it's a wax museum that's inside the mall. So, yeah. Grabe na yung... Diba? Pero pinagpapawisan dito, te. Pero anyway, let's go. I don't know if you can hear me, but nakabalik na kami sa MTR doon sa stop sa Tungchong. Tapos doon kami pupunta yan sa Hong Kong last stop dahil papunta na kami sa Wax Museum. Tired. They're very tired walking na. Let's go. Hi, Seb. So, nakasakay na kami ng bus, number 1, going to the Peak Galleria. Then, mag-walk kami from there papunta sa the Peak Tower para sa Madame Tussauds, the Wax Museum. And galing kami, di ba, sa MTR from Ngongping. Sumakay kami ng MTR papunta Hong Kong Station. So, from Hong Kong Station, meron kayong makikita doon na Hong Kong Station minibus terminus. Then, sasakay na kayo sa bus number 1. Tapos, dire-diretso na yun, papunta doon. 4 stops daw para sa The Peak Gallery. But, yeah, we'll update you later. Dahil, gugutom na rin ako. No? Bye-bye. Hi! Lamig na sila. Oh. Nakarating na kami here sa Peak Tower. So, here, oh. Yan, nag-hoodie na si PJ. Si Papa. Si Mama din nag-hoodie na. And
Then here's me wearing my t-shirt and shorts. So we're entering the mall na. Fun fact, guys. Mas malamig pa sa labas kaysa sa loob ng mall. Ito ata yung literal na lumabas yung aircon. So, nasa loob kami ng mall. And ayun yung Madame Tussauds sa baba. Hey, let's go! We're nearing our last stop for this first day. Or for the first day. There's the parang sneak peek ng Madame Tussauds. Here! That's Madame Tussauds. There! Can you see it? Let's go!
Hello. Oh my god. It's Jackie Chan. We're here at Madame Tussauds. It's Jackie Chan.
The party starts here. The party starts here. We're going down. Go muna ka din.
Okay.
Mahuro ka lang.
How do I angle this?
Parang nasa rice.
It's Obama.
Guys, hi Sebs! Busy na naman yung kapatid ko. Ayaw pansinan ba? Yeah! Ito yung makikita niya sa observatory port sa may peak tower. Sobrang pretty. Grabe. Nakita mo yung kalinawan niyan, te. At ang lamig daw. It's the picture. It's dinner time. Nag-McDo lang kami. And wala silang rice dito. I got the fish fillet burger. I'll try this the first time. And na-curious ako dito sa chocolate wafer strawberry McFlurry. Kasi wala niyan sa atin. What's yours, Papa PJ?
We got the same order. Chicken, crispy chicken thighs.
Chicken thighs and fries. Yours, Mama.
Crispy chicken thighs pero barbecue.
It has a flavor. So, wala kasi silang rice. So, whatever it is. Yeah, wala kang spoon. Parang kakamayin mo siya. You have your spoon, right? Yeah. We'll just eat. Hi, Sims. It's already 11:15 p.m. 11:20 p.m. And Sizrin is already asleep. So that actually sums up our first day here. And see you on our next vlog. Bye!